I spy with my Brunel eye. Can you see Brunel peeking through the window? He's having a cheeky puff on a cigar and giving me a cheeky look under the rim of his top hat. Whoa. Rimming. So just at the Clifton Rocks Railway here. Just under the suspension bridge. The tunnel of love. You dive in head first in the tunnel of love. Honk your horn at me, boy. Honky, honky. So it was like a lift thing which brought people down from Clifton. Can we get a better view? Oh, that's got a breeze coming down now. Ooh, that's a spooky one. That's a spooky one, boy. That's a spooky one. Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Anyone there? Can we get across the road? Probably not. I'll give it my goddamn best shot though. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get across the road here. Sod's law, innit? Soon as traffic stops one side, it comes the other way. Give me strength. If I can't get across now, I'll leave it. Yes. At last. Looking more of a wreck than me, that. I'll finish off with a quick ghost story. So yeah, a mate of mine was driving along here under the suspension bridge and on for quite a while, about 5 minutes away. And you're way away, you know, kind of Shepton, what's it called, way? Avonmouth way on this side. Yeah, see the water here? Second highest tidal range in the world up to Canada. And yeah, he looked to the left and he saw a boat, and he said there was a First World War soldier raising a rifle up in the air. He swears to God he saw that, and he said there was no one else around. I think Brunel's ghost might have been seen somewhere in the vicinity of the suspension bridge as well. Maybe that's him peeking through the window. Little rimmer. Whoa, let me have a puff on your cigar, boyo. Anyway, that's the Clifton Rocks, am I alright?